Thinking about paying off your student loan ahead of schedule? It's a decision many grapple with. Here are 5 key benefits of settling that student debt sooner rather than later. 1. Save on interest. The most immediate benefit is the savings on interest. The longer you take to pay off your loan, the more interest you'll accumulate. Settling early can significantly reduce the total amount you pay over the loan's lifespan. 2. Enhanced debt-to-income ratio. Paying off your student loan can improve your debt-to-income ratio, a crucial factor lenders consider when you're applying for mortgages or other significant loans. A lower ratio can make you a more attractive borrower. 3. Financial freedom. There's a liberating feeling that comes with being debt-free. Without the weight of monthly student loan payments, you can allocate funds to other financial goals, savings, or investments. 4. Risk reduction. Financial situations can change. By clearing your student loan early, you safeguard yourself against potential future financial challenges, ensuring you're not saddled with debt during tough times. 5. Investment opportunities. The funds you typically allocate to loan payments can be redirected. An early loan payoff provides additional financial flexibility, whether you're keen on investing in stocks, real estate, or even starting a business. While there are evident advantages, always consider your entire financial situation. If you have other high-interest debts or an insufficient emergency fund, those might need attention first. For those navigating the complexities of student loans and seeking insights, the Dispute Panda community is here to help. Engage with the platform, set up your Dispute Panda account for tailored credit guidance, and remember to like and follow for continuous updates.